Hello everyone. In this video today we are discussing about the technical analysis of the gold. So let's begin. If you look at the gold right now, the gold break above the 1830.00 psychological level and moving towards the 1851,200 psychological level. Right now gold is moving sideways. So if you look at the dollar index right now, the yesterday dollar index respect the 104.00 psychological level and moving upwards to the 105.00 psychological level. So there is a two scenario can be happened. One is if the dollar index break the 105.00 psychological level and moving upwards to the 105.500 psychological level, then we will see further fall in the gold. The gold break below the 1820.200 psychological level and moving downwards to the 1800 psychological level. So there is a second scenario can be happen if the dollar index will not break the 105.00 psychological level and fall towards the 104.00 psychological level, then we will see the further pullback on the gold around the 1860 psychological level. After reaching this level, if you see some rejection candle or any further sentimental confirmation, then you can engage the trade, and your first target should be the 1830.00 psychological level and second target should be the 1800 psychological level.